to contact Facebook live chat support. First, open the Facebook. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the option Help and Support. Keep in mind, in order to contact the live agent, you need to have Meta verified account. If you have the Meta verified account, you can find the option for Meta verified. Tap on it. Tap on the option Enhance Support and tap on the option Chat with Live Agent. After that, you'll be able to chat with the live agent. If you do not have Meta verified account, you'll not be able to chat with the live agent, but you can contact Meta AI support assistant, which will be live 24/7. Tap on the option Meta AI support assistant. Now after that, you'll be able to contact the AI support. Though it is not the live agent, you'll get the similar kind of support. Tap on the message bar. Enter your query or problem over here. Tap on the send icon. Now after your message is sent, the AI support will reply to you promptly. Like this, you'll be able to contact the Facebook live chat agent. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.